Alright, I also recently got this new Kreg K5 pocket hole jig kit. It's not the complete master system, but it has most of the things anyways, just not the face clamp, which I think is one of the main differences between this and the higher level one. I sort of have some other clamps and then you can always purchase those after the fact, but yeah, figured I would do a quick unboxing if you're interested in getting one of these, see what's inside and see how to get it set up. Alright, so let's get started unboxing it. Okay, so we got the Kreg owner's manual here, giving you various depth guides and things like that. Skill builder booklet. Let's give you links to various videos of how to use it, how to get it set up. Kind of cool. Okay, so here's the main system right here. Got some bunch of different sized sample screws. Looks like mainly for softwood. Oh, there's a little bit of hardwood here. You can tell by the fine thread. And the two wings. Box aside. These gets put right into there, just like that. And then these are can open up. Of course, the drill bit here. See how it has that flat edge there? That's what gives the screws the flat surface to rest upon. Nice flange surface there. Long square bit. And here you have the depth stop, call it. A couple other things. Thumb nut, hex screw, bolt for something. I'll figure that out. Over here you can see a guide for different screw length selection and for different material thicknesses. And this side have some plugs here, some dowel plugs. Spacer blocks and a depth gauge or screw length setting. Haven't used one of these before, so I'll figure this stuff out. Okay. Maybe if we go to the instructions. I wish they would list the parts on the same page, you know, one side here, one side there, so you don't have to flip back and forth, but small things. Stop collar setting block. Okay, so that's what this is for, the stop collar, to set the screw length for that. So this is the workpiece stop. So I guess you can set this in like that and have it be a stop here to get to the edge. On either side, you can do that. For the board thickness setting, what we do is pull this out, and then it locks into place. You can see the thicknesses for the different boards along there. And of course, clamp in the board. That's nice and tight, not going anywhere. This collector here, set it up, good to go. To help set the depth, or for the thickness of the board, if you have a really thin board, for example, you can press this gray button here. It hardly goes down at all. You don't even think it's pressing. And then you just can slide that in or slide that out. And then of course, you push down this lever here and that clamps it down. So obviously you have the collar here, Allen key for the set screw on the collar. So back that out, put the drill bit in. I'm just going to kind of loosely put that in place. All right, so if you want to set the collar on the drill bit, what you have to do is obviously get your board thickness set right there. So if we're doing a 7/8 thickness board, it recommends using, according to their table here, you see you have the material thickness 7/8, screw length will be 1.5 inch setting. So this is the 1.5 inch right here. So we will line this up like that. Try and do this at an angle so you can see. Put that in there. Get that just like that. And then you lock down the collar. Like that. And then you know when you plug in a board, it will go just like that. For the workpiece stop, you got these 3 parts. Put in your thumb screw. Oh, this is plastic? Wow, the screw is plastic, so be careful with it. Go ahead and screw this on quite a bit. All right. Then you take the nut that's provided, put it in there, just like that. And then you have this guy in. You screw that to a depth here, and then the board will just go hit the screw based off whatever depth you want it to be. And then say if you want it to be this deep, tighten down on here, and then that will hold it in place. Of course, put that back on the board, snap it in, and there you go. And then you can also back this off to adjust it further. Of course, to get the wing back on, you have to take this off. Of course, you have all your screws here. All right, you can see what screws come with it. Looks like there's about 10 screws of each length or so, more or less. I also went ahead and picked up this pocket hole screw kit just to give me more than I'll need for a long time. And the guys at the store, I actually bought this at Woodcraft, and so the guys at the store gave me this, which also helps if you're doing a face joint or an edge joint, you can see the two different part thicknesses. If you're doing mismatching parts, for example, a 5/8 inch thickness and a 1 1/4 inch thickness, and part A goes here, part B for the inside circle. So that will also help. Nice to have. If you can get one of these, that'd be great. So if you're interested in picking one of these kits up, I'll have a link in the description below. It's an Amazon affiliate link, so if you use it, it helps me out. Anyways, this is the Kreg pocket hole jig for the K5 model specifically. I look forward to using these, and I'm actually going to use it very soon, actually connecting the boards of my shop surface here, which are just loosely placed. So I'll put those together with this, and that will be nice to finally have. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.